The clock ticks and the weight of the world grows heavier, each heartbeat a reminder of what cannot be escaped. The walls begin to tremble, the air grows colder, and the tension in the room palpable. The sky darkens, the light of hope flickers out as the finality intensifies. The haunting voice echoes through the desolate void, a call to the unwary and the desperate souls who dare to participate. The echo grows louder, a distorted reflection of the speaker's haunting words, now bitterly echoing through their troubled mind. The haunting echo fades, leaving only the deafening echo of chilling silence and dark, regretful memories forever. The weight is lifted, a dark revelation unfolding, as the finality has taken its devastating course suddenly and irreversibly now. The haunting echo resonates louder,